This is a quick update as of how to buy your Mobula7, Mobula8 BassLine to your radio the first time. Before we begin, we have to understand this particular flight controller has a SPI-based ELRS receiver. You are going to flash your ELRS firmware via Betaflight, not Wi-Fi. So you have to flash your Betaflight version to 4.4 or above to get ELRS 3.x, and if you want 2.x, you can just stay at 4.3 as the default firmware. Let's begin the flashing and the binding process. Okay, so once we have connected Betaflight, you're just going to come here and hit connect. We are going to go to the presets tab and you're going to save a backup first. So later on when we flash it, everything is going to still be there. Okay, so let's just save it at desktop so we can find it. Okay, let's reconnect. And we are going to go to firmware updates this time. So you can just hit the auto detect function, so it should go directly to the board we want. We'll be flashing it to 4.4.2. We are just going to load firmware online and we're going to hit flash firmware. Okay, once it's done, we are going to come here and hit connect and you're going to apply custom defaults. Okay, so we are going to have some problem because all the data are erased. So we're just going to come to the presets and we're going to load back up. So we're just going to load the one we saved. And save anyway. And our setting has been completed. If you forgot to save your backups, it's okay, you can still set it up completely, or you can come ask me for the file, it's not a problem, just let me know. Okay, next we're going to go to the receiver tab. Right now it's set to serial receiver, but actually this one is a SPI ELRS, so we are going to come here and select SPI instead. You're going to select ELRS right here, and we are just going to hit save and reboot. Okay. Once we save and reboot, you can see that the binding phrase box is popping out. We can now start setting the binding phrase to the binding phrase we have on our radio. So it's going to be 654321. You can set up whatever you like as long as it matches your radio. And we're going to hit save and reboot. And next we're going to bring out our radio and we're going to power it on. Okay, and we're going to hit connect to Betaflight. The power of binding phrase is as long as you set the correct binding phrase from the radio to your quad, everything should be bind directly, so you don't have to push a button. So right now, let's go to the receiver tab and see if everything has been bounded. So let's push the throttle and see if it moves. Okay, so we are done. Okay, so this is roll, right? Yeah, this is roll. Pitch, yeah. Okay. Okay, let's go to the modes to adjust our arm switch. Okay, it's working. So angle mode, wait, aux2 is this one. Okay. Okay, so setting has been complete. Let's test it. Okay, so we're just going to plug in our LiPo just to see if it works. And you're just going to connect your battery.
Telemetry recovered.
Okay, so it has been bound. So let's push our arm switch to see if it works. Alright, so bind success. Alright, so this concludes the video as of how to bind your Mobula8 to your radio the first time. And if you have additional questions, you can leave at the comment section, you can email me, or you can join my Discord server. And I will see you next time. Bye for now.